Maria Mariano, specialist of the kitchen to save time, money, and have a healthier way of living. It starts with the FridgeSmarts. Why? Because this is where all our fresh produce go in. This is where we have the most wastage, and making sure that we have zero waste in fruits and vegetables, we need FridgeSmarts. Cucumbers that you already passed your 2 fingers across, finished. Strawberries with moss, finished. That will never happen anymore. FridgeSmarts allow us to do our groceries once every 2 weeks and have, once again, zero waste. Why now FridgeSmarts? Because they're on sale at 50%. The big set here, $266 for $129. It's now the time. And we have 2 exclusive ones. The large one here for celery and large English cucumbers, $55 for $36. And we have the mega one. Oh, a must-have in the refrigerator. $59 for $45. It's time now to organize that refrigerator. What type of fruits and vegetables? All of them, all of them. What's important here is the same family reside in the same container. So example, asparagus, celery, cucumbers, 1 vent open. Is all fruits and vegetables deserve equal chance to survive the ventilation system of your refrigerator. Otherwise, you'll be stuck making that decision who lives this week and who dies. In my books, they all get to live. This is the solution to waste in the refrigerator when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Get yours today. Contact your Tupperware consultant right now. Click above.